Now we turn our attention to ornaments. Ornaments, there's a lot of different ornaments, but we're just going to learn a few today. The first one we're going to learn is called trill. And trills can be written out a couple different ways. They can look like this, or like this, or if the composer had lots of ink in his pen that day, he could write it all out like that. They all mean to do the same thing, to start on this note and alternate quickly with the note above it. Let me give you an example of a trill. So here are two more common ornaments, the Appoggiatura and the Educator. And these two notes look similar to each other, but the thing you need to recognize when you see them is that they won't be the same size as the notes around them. They'll be maybe 70% of the size of a regular note, and when you see them, you need to know that they don't take up the value that a regular note takes up. The Appoggiatura is traditionally thought of as landing on the beat where a note should have been, while the Educator, and some people call these crushed notes, they land on the beat and then are quickly left for the big note. There's no way other to explain these but to do a demonstration. So let me play them in Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on the piano. Appoggiaturas are going to land right on the beat and be left, depending on what your teacher says, quickly or maybe at an even tempo with the other notes around them. Here's Twinkle Twinkle with some Appoggiaturas. Let's try it with Appoggiatura. And remember, Appoggiatura happened in the split second before the beat's going to happen. And they're like crushed notes. I think you still do hear a lot of Appoggiatura in music these days, in popular music and other places. It's still pretty useful.